Hey guys, welcome to Tech Learnings. It's been quite long since we last met, but yeah, here I'm back today, and it's better late than never. So today I'm going to share my learnings with you related to Redis, and I have been using Redis for a long time. I think more than a year maybe, but two useful things which I would like to share with you, which I recently came across, and they are quite useful if you are starting with Redis. If you want to know about Redis in a quick time maybe, and you can just visit, or you can just watch this video till then, so you'll get at least two learnings which I wanted to share with you today. So before we get started, I would just like to share with you a small information. I'm looking for some candidates who want to learn Java online. So if you guys are really if you are interested and are willing to improve upon your concepts, learn about different stuff which we usually use in our day-to-day programming, day-to-day life, then you are most welcome. So get in touch with me, just drop me an email or just put a comment or whatever way you feel right, so you can just get in touch with me. Okay, so yeah, Redis, as you all know, is in-memory database, and it supports a hell lot of things. It doesn't support each and everything. It's not a like an RDBMS, but it's an in-memory database. So it has a number of data structures which can cater to your requirements, and primarily it is used for caching. All right, so it's a kind of support which you want to provide to your actual database when you are talking in terms of performance. Okay, so I came across this site. This is the first learning which I want to share with you guys today. Try.redis.io. It's basically a website which is really useful to brush up your concepts. If let's say you haven't used Redis for, let's say, a number of means a long time, then if you want to brush up your concepts with the different Redis commands which are frequently used, so try.redis.io is the place for you. So it provides you examples, it connects you to a Redis data server as well. So you can just type here tutorial and it gets started. So first command, it shows us the set command and the get command. You can very well read this description and just click on the command and then it executes it. So if I say get server name, it gives me the fido, which is the value of this key. But I would recommend you type the command, that way you will have more practice as well. Let's say set name as Shiv and get name, it gives Shiv. Okay, then you can just see here, type next to continue with the tutorial, keep on doing next and read about the different commands and the descriptions of there. And you can, I would highly recommend you, it will take only 10-15 minutes and you will be aware of the frequently used Redis commands. Okay, and you will be able to execute them as well, right? How do they work? You can just play here. Okay, so this is try.redis.io, which is quite useful for a beginner as well as for someone who want to brush up the Redis commands. Okay, and it does provide a link here, a demonstration of Redis. You can click here and it takes you to the documentation of Redis, so you can read about here, go to the documentation, download it and do whatever you want. So this was the first learning. Second learning is actually I was doing some benchmarking in our project. We had to choose a technology, so I came across a Redis and I came across a utility which Redis installation provides by default. So that utility is Redis benchmark. So let me open the terminal. I have started here the Redis server. Okay, so my server started and there is a utility within Redis installation only. So the utility's name is Redis benchmark. So if I just run it without any parameters, so it hits the Redis server with a number of requests, number of parallel clients, with the bytes of payload, and it shows you the performance statistics. All right, so it just gives you an idea of what means how many requests the Redis is able to serve per second. All right, so it all the commands set, get, lpop, lpush, incr, rpush, so it hits all those commands, and you can get a brief, you can say a rough idea that how many requests per second the Redis is able to serve. So it will hit for all the data structures that are there. You can see it later, and it provides a number of options. Let's say if you can see here there are number of requests which are sent is 1 lakh. So if I want to say send only 10 requests, so you can have 10 requests as well. Okay, then similarly you can have here 50 parallel clients is showing number of clients. If let's say I want to say 5, so you can have 5 parallel clients and get those numbers. And there is an option here for number of bytes of payload. By default it is sending 3 bytes. Let's say I say 100 bytes of payload, so you can have this as well, and then the statistics. All right, and you can have another options are there. -q is there, just give me the request per second, do not give me the complete information. So this is a utility which I came across and wanted to share with you guys as well. So Redis benchmark, it's a utility which is there inside Redis installation, and it shows you it means it's a way using which you can hit the number of requests and how many parallel clients, what is the data size that you want to hit with. So yeah, you can get those numbers here. It's kind of performance testing only. So Redis benchmark and redis.io, these are the two things that I wanted to share with you, and a lot of stuff is coming up. I'm planning to share with you people, so stay tuned. And yeah, again a reminder, I'm looking for candidates who want to learn Java online, so we can have Skype conversations, we can have Google Hangouts. If you are using any online way you want, we can have those lessons. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This was the learning of week, you can say, and I'll try to share with you the learnings of day as well. So we'll try my best to post a video maybe daily or on every alternate day. Okay, so see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.